Hey, where is everybody? I can't see it. What's going on behind here? Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is that time. We got the Dollar Jerky Club stuff in the mail. Really excited to get into this month's box. Looks like we got some other stuff going on. So guys, let's dig in. All right, let's get into the first box, y'all. Wow, this is really nice. This is going to come in handy for those chilly mornings when I'm getting out there on the water, or maybe you're getting out on the water. Whatever it is that you're doing, guys, look at this. Dollar Jerky Club camo hoodie. Now that's pretty fire. Look at that. Now you know we had to get into that one. Let's get into the next box. What do we got in this one, guys? Now, you know I like my hats. Keep me protected when I'm out on the water. Or maybe we're just going out for the day looking stylish. Guys, look at these hats we got from Dollar Jerky Club. These Richardson snapbacks, guys. Look at that. We got the Dollar Jerky Club logo with that largemouth bass. Next one we got, look at that, guys. Another Richardson snapback. We got that camo pattern with that nice Dollar Jerky Club logo. Now you know the one that we've been waiting on. Let's get into the jerky, guys. This month's box is packed. We got something else in here. We got a couple t-shirts. Let's check these out. Look at that, guys. Nice t-shirt with the Dollar Jerky Club logo on it. All right, we got another t-shirt, guys. Look at that. That's a fire logo. Dollar Jerky Club. Let's go. Now, let's get into this jam-packed box with all of this month's Dollar Jerky Club from small batch jerky companies around the states. Let's get into it. First bag we got, guys, from Stanford's Jerky. These are out of Florida. This is the premium London broil. This looks interesting. Cowboy Cody's beef jerky and the blackberry flavor. That's probably pretty good. We have more of that Stanford's Jerky, guys. The Honest JD, the premium London broil. Now, we're going to save the best for last, guys. I have had the Dollar Jerky Club jerky before, and there's a flavor in this box that I'm telling you is at the top of the list. And if you try some, I promise you, you're going to think it's just as good as I do. So moving on, guys, we have Buffalo Wing from Long Beach Jerky Company. Midwest tradition. This is the bold and savory. There's such a variety, you guys. You can get a small, medium, or large box. You can do 1 month, 6 months, or 1 year. Now, guys, when we're road tripping, it is our absolute favorite snack to have. You know, when we're traveling through the country, whether I'm going fishing, whether I'm on a break, you know, if you're out hiking, biking, camping, whatever it is, you can never go wrong with a variety of beef jerky. From the Jerky Gourmet Beef Company, we got the original teriyaki. Guys, look at that. Love me some teriyaki. We have some beef sticks, guys, from, this is the buffalo style, from Wicked Cuts. Maybe you're looking to get it a little bit more healthy with the chicken flavor. We got the Baja Vida beef sticks, the gluten-free. All right, we'll check out that. Now, guys, oh, we have one more in here. We have one more. This is the hot sauce flavor, if you like a little spicy. Now, let me tell you, this is the beef jerky that has me coming back again and again. This flavor, I can never get enough of it, this style. Guys, this is that uncured bacon jerky, guys, sweet maple bacon. Now, if you like bacon and you like it sweet and candied, you're going to want to head over to Dollar Jerky Club today. Go check them out. And guys, listen to this. If you've never tried the Dollar Jerky Club subscription boxes and you want to save yourself 20% off your first order, guys, you can use my code TRAVELER20. Now, what are you waiting for, guys? When you're looking for some fresh, flavorful jerky from small batches all over the country, head over to Dollar Jerky Club today.